Standard Chartered predicts up to $45 billion inflows to Ethereum ETFs within 1 year. Andrew Throuvalas last updated, March 18, 2024, 16:16 EDT1 Min read. Source, Standard Chartered Bank, British multinational bank. Standard Chartered expects Ethereum ETH to outperform Bitcoin BTC after spot ETFs for the former are approved by regulators in May of this year. In a Monday research note, the bank waxed extra bullish on both assets, upping its previous Bitcoin cycle top prediction from $150,000 to $250,000 in 2025. Ethereum could climb over 4x to $14,000 per unit, following a 12-month tsunami of up to $45 billion in ETF inflows. Standard Chartered predicts $14,000 ETH. We estimate that spot ETFs will drive inflows of 15 million ETH in the first 12 months after approval, wrote the bank's analyst Geoff Kendrick. In USD terms, that equates to roughly $15 billion to $45 billion. The figure, Kendrick noted, mirrors his inflow expectations for Bitcoin spot ETFs in market cap adjusted terms. Since launching on January 11 following a split decision SEC approval, net inflows to the U.S. Bitcoin spot ETFs have totaled over $11.9 billion despite nonstop outflows from the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust GBTC. Given the current pace, the bank has revised its end of 2024 Bitcoin price prediction from $100,000 to $150,000, with $200,000 marking the new midpoint for a sideways trading range at the end of 2025. This price would align with a two-asset optimization scenario where Bitcoin takes up 20% of investors' allocation to gold within their portfolios. Meanwhile, Ethereum is expected to either keep pace with or outpace BTC over the next 2 years, moving from its current 4% price ratio against the leading crypto in 2024 to the 7% ratio in the following year, which it held in 2021 and 2022. This would imply a USD level of 8,000 for ETH, the bank wrote as its end of 2024 price prediction. For 2025, based on its BTC expectation of 200,000, it expects an ETH price of $14,000. Will an Ethereum ETF be approved? While Standard Chartered anticipates Ethereum ETF approval by May, several analysts have grown much less optimistic about the idea given regulators' seeming lack of communication on the matter. Our odds of ETH ETF approval by May deadline are down to 35%, wrote Bloomberg ETF analyst Eric Balchin to X last week. All the signs/sources that were making us bullish too. FIMO out for BTC spot are not there this time. Follow us on Google News.